every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. I'm Josie, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 sexy hairstyles that you can wear to your upcoming New Year's party. With the holidays coming up, hair is the best accessory for any glam look, so it's important to make sure your hair looks classy and stylish. Today I will be wearing my Luxy hair extensions for added length and volume. Help me create these next 5 hairstyles that will certainly turn heads. Let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to be wearing my 220 gram set of the Dirty Blonde Luxy hair extensions. I already have these straightened and my hair is already straightened itself. So I'm just going to be clipping these in before I begin doing all of the other hairstyles. So if you know me, I always love to double up on my hair extensions. I just find that it's easiest for me to create hairstyles around it when I have them kind of double up like this. Okay, so now that hair extensions are all clipped in, we're going to begin on our first hairstyle. This first one, it's going to be a really sexy slicked back hairstyle. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking some gel and some hairspray, kind of wetting down my hair, slicking it back, then we'll be bobbing pinning the sides up. I love this hairstyle. I wore it for my senior prom and I wore it also when I was in Paris. So it's just a really great hairstyle and it's super easy to do. So to begin, I'm just going to take some gel and just start running this through my hair and pushing it back. I tried concentrating all the Luxy hair extensions towards the back side of my head for this so that none of the wefts on the sides would show through. Don't worry too much about the sides, but really worry about getting the top half slicked back. And then in between every now and then, I'm just gonna start brushing. You can't just leave it tucked behind your ears like this, but if you're afraid that you're gonna be moving and it might fall out, you can add bobby pins kind of tucked underneath. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Just tucking that in. And lastly, we're just gonna spray a little bit of hairspray. And this is what it looks like all finished. I just think this is a really striking hairstyle to wear. And like I said, it's really easy. You can just straighten your hair, slick it back, and you're ready to go. The next hairstyle that we're going to be doing is going to be a slick back high pony. We're going to make sure there's no bumps in the front. It's a really smooth and clean ponytail. Begin pulling everything up. Okay, so once you think you have a good grip, go ahead and tie your hair tie around. Sometimes I can only get this around twice, so I'm going to be using 2 different hair ties. So already we're getting a ton of volume. And then this step is optional, but if you want, you can take an underneath piece of hair and then wrap it around the base of your ponytail. And then you can just take a bobby pin and secure that underneath. And then it should look a little bit cleaner at the top. Okay, and there you have it. This just gives your ponytail a nice added oomph to it, a little bit more volume. And I think it looks super glamorous to wear, and you don't really have to worry about your hair getting messed up throughout the night. It's just up in a nice little ponytail. So now moving on to the third hairstyle, we are going to still keep our hair slicked back how it is, but this time we're going to be doing that half up, half down Ariana Grande inspired hairstyle. Okay, so we're going to be taking all this hair right here and pulling it back, just like we did for the ponytail. Okay, then we're going to be taking a hair tie and tying that off. Okay, so obviously Ariana Grande, when she has her half up, half down hairstyle, the part that she pulls up is also long. And currently mine isn't because this is all just my natural hair. So that is when I'm going to be clipping in the 1-piece wefts into my hair. Right now I have them doubled up, so there's 2 and 2. So right here, we're just gonna be clipping it right underneath that hair tie. Okay, so once you have them clipped in, you're going to take a piece of hair and wrap it around to conceal those pieces that we just clipped in. Okay, so now that is all in, and then I'm just gonna tease up this top little layer right here. So now it's optional. You can either leave your hair straight or you can curl it, and we're going to be curling it today just to add a little bit to the look. I'm just going to be using a 1-inch curling wand, and I'm just going to quickly go through and add some curls. Okay, and here is what it looks like all curled. I definitely feel like the curls added a lot to this look. It just made it a little bit more glamorous. Okay guys, so moving on to our fourth hairstyle, we're going to be doing a half up, half down space bun look. This one's just super fun for a party that might be a little bit different. Maybe it isn't as formal as a normal New Year's Eve party might be, so this is just a fun one to wear. And my hair is already curled now from the last look, so basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to leave some front bang pieces hanging in the front. We're going to pull a couple sections up here and just create some cute little space buns. So to begin, going to pull out some pieces I don't want included, and I'm probably going to end up recurling these. So next up, I'm going to be taking an elastic and I'm just going to tie this off right where I want the bun to be placed, or we're just going to pull it through like a normal pony. While I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and curl these front bang pieces really quickly. Looks cute. And honestly, you could just leave this as a hairstyle if you wanted to, if you're not into the whole space bun thing and you just kind of want like cute little pigtails or something like that. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap these up into buns next. You can kind of make them as voluminous or as small as you want. Then we're just taking a few bobby pins and pinning this into place. Okay guys, here is the finished look. Okay guys, for our last look, we are going to be doing Hollywood glam hair. This is usually just really soft, loose, brushed out curls, and usually the bang pieces are kind of coming in towards the face. So we're gonna do a little bit of that right now. Since I already have a majority of my hair curled, I'm not gonna go back through and recurl all of it. I'm just gonna be doing the front pieces to make it have that Hollywood inspired feel. So to begin, basically the main thing that Hollywood glam hair has is your hair on your dominant side is coming in towards your face. So right now I'm gonna do that. We're going to do it to a couple of the pieces. And then once you have that, you're gonna kind of like hold it in your hand a little bit because you want this really bouncy. And release. We're gonna do that to a few other pieces. And I'm going to actually bobby pin it behind the ear so it stays. Okay, so here's the finished look. I think this one is just super classy and perfect for New Year's Eve.
Care about your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed these 5 sexy New Year's Eve hairstyles. If you decide to try one out yourself, make sure to tag us on Instagram at Luxy Hair. Thank you all so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye.